I'm gonna tell you more about SwissBorg, how to use it, how to make money from it. And the first thing you have to do is click my link down below to sign up to SwissBorg, and let's get straight into it. There is a lot of wealth management and launchpad opportunities here. You don't wanna miss this, keep watching. First step, if you want to start taking advantage of the SwissBorg features, don't forget to click my link down below in the description and sign up. You can actually win up to 100 euros by using my link for sign up and making your first deposit of only 50 euros or more in any currency supported by the app. So that can be fiat or crypto. So launched in 2017, SwissBorg has become one of the top crypto wealth management platforms that provide you with the infrastructure and tools to manage your crypto portfolio effectively. It aims to create an easy-to-use platform to assist you in safely navigating the financial world of cryptocurrencies. SwissBorg has its headquarters in Switzerland, making it a popular European crypto exchange. SwissBorg is available in more than 115 countries and plans to expand to more countries. You can simplify your crypto investments through SwissBorg in multiple ways, including DeFi protocols, integration with major crypto exchanges, and a community-based ownership model. In addition to the desktop platform, you can use the SwissBorg app on your phone, which is available on Android and iOS. SwissBorg's flagship product is an all-encompassing crypto management app. It enables you to on-off ramp, exchange crypto fiat, and earn yield, buy bundles of crypto, and access its launchpad investment opportunities as well. SwissBorg currently supports over 90 cryptocurrencies and 16 fiat currencies. And that is interesting. The 16 fiat currencies are definitely more than other competitors out there. You can buy or sell cryptocurrencies like Solana with your local currency. Absolutely incredible. You can get the best terms of investing, APYs, fees, and exclusive access to pre-sales by holding the BORG Token. In addition, you can invest in crypto ETFs and participate in pre-sale on terms. Personally, I'm a big holder of the BORG token. If you want to buy the BORG token, obviously just sign up to SwissBorg and deposit some crypto or fiat, and then you can buy the BORG token in there. Some of the top achievements of the project include the launch of 2 successful apps, the development of smart yield wallets, and the formation of the SwissBorg DAO. Now, let's get a closer look on how you can sign up to SwissBorg. You have to go through 2 parts, registration and verification when creating an account on SwissBorg. The first thing you have to do is download the app and click on Get Started. Enter your phone number and make sure you select the correct country code, then click Next. You will receive an SMS with a 6-digit code which you need to enter in the app. Set up your 4 or 6-digit password or use the custom passcode option with a maximum of 8 characters. Once you set up your passcode, it will be your PIN for future logins. Carefully read the SwissBorg app terms and use the privacy policy and click the toggle button to accept them once you are done. After this, you should click Next, enter your full name as it appears on your identity document, along with your date of birth and nationality, and then click Next. Enter your email address, then click Next to send the verification email. Open your verification email and click Verify to confirm your email address, then return to the SwissBorg app. Next, you will need to enter your residential address details. For the last step of registration, you need to answer some investment-related questions to complete your profile. Once your profile is completed, you can start exploring the SwissBorg app. The next step is to verify your identity, for which you need to go through the KYC check. You need to provide all the required documents, your picture, and your original ID. The good thing here is that, of course, SwissBorg is very trustworthy. I've been working with them for, I think it's 4 years now, and they have never screwed up. I trust SwissBorg with my KYC. I've done KYC there, and I definitely recommend you guys to do KYC here to use this platform. And after this, when you've done KYC, you will be asked for face recognition by uploading a selfie and moving your head left and right. Once your KYC procedure is completed, you are free to use the SwissBorg app and all its services. SwissBorg is committed to providing its community with the best possible tools and technologies in the blockchain space. It has integrated the Solana blockchain with its smart engine to create new opportunities for users. This combination has created an exchange aggregator combining foreign exchange, centralized exchanges, and decentralized exchanges in a single product. It has made SwissBorg the world's first meta exchange, or MEX. SwissBorg's MEX model streamlines trading across FX, CX, and DEX on Solana through a single integrated interface. It allows users to make smooth transitions between fiat and crypto while simplifying trading opportunities. In addition to top FX and CXs, the SwissBorg Smart Engine now operates with leading Solana DEX, Orca, and recently launched Phoenix. As a SwissBorg app user, you can now directly execute trades from up to 16 fiat currencies to over 90 cryptos in a single tap, benefiting from optimal rates, liquidity, and minimal slippage. To make a deposit on SwissBorg, fill in your credit card information and click Add Card. Your SwissBorg account is ready to be credited. If you want to make a bank transfer, you need to select your local currency. Depending on your location, choose the transfer method that suits you, SEPA or SWIFT. In the case of a SWIFT transfer, note the reference number. Enter the bank details on your bank account to make your first deposit. If you want to deposit in cryptocurrency, choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive on your app instead of a local currency. Copy the cryptocurrency address and paste it onto the required field of another cryptocurrency exchange or your crypto wallet. Now, the BORG token, formerly known as the CHSB token, facilitates SwissBorg network activity through participation and plays a crucial role in platform governance. Fun fact is, it was actually my idea to change the name to BORG token. I told the guys, I think it was 4 years ago, back in when I met them in, I think it was Davos in Switzerland. I told them, look, the name of the token should be BORG. It's such a nice name. Please change to BORG, and it's gonna be such a beautiful name. And well, it took them 4 years, but eventually they actually did change the name to BORG, and it is now forever gonna be BORG token. So anyways, it showed impressive growth in 2021 with its native token, the BORG token, reaching the unicorn status and hitting the $1 billion market cap milestone. As a BORG token holder, you can vote in referendums that shape the SwissBorg application. Beyond governance rewards and voting privileges, you can contribute to the network while amplifying future growth benefits. So I am a BORG token holder, and the benefits that I'm getting that you can also get are the following. When you lock your BORG tokens in the SwissBorg app, in the premium system, you can enjoy discounts on exchange fees, you can get boosted APY and improved Borger score. You can unlock access to alpha vaults only available to BORG holders and boost your portfolio with merging projects and other exclusive investment opportunities. You get app updates before other users. You can also enjoy its latest features. Increase your Borger rank to raise your voicing power for Guardian sessions and start earning participation rewards for being an active community member. Each engagement fuels the expansion of BORG, benefiting every loyal token holder. The current market cap of BORG token is around $177 million, and its total supply is around 985 million tokens. At the time you're watching this video, it is likely the token is worth much more than that. Now, if you are looking to perform an exchange on the SwissBorg app, click on your portfolio screen and then click on exchange. Choose the crypto or fiat currency you want to exchange, type the amount or select the percentage of your balance you want to exchange. After you click next, the platform's smart engine will calculate the optimal path to provide you with the best execution price. Once you agree with the displayed amount, click confirm to execute the transaction. You should know that in addition to buying and selling cryptocurrencies, SwissBorg offers a series of additional features. Its Smart Yield is a feature that allows you to earn passive income by staking your cryptocurrency assets when you save your assets through Smart Yield. You essentially lend them to the SwissBorg Platform in exchange for a share of its revenue generated out of it. Before moving on, if you want to start taking advantage of the SwissBorg features, don't forget to click my link down below in the description to sign up. You can actually win up to 100 euros simply by making a 50 euro deposit. Super cool. I highly recommend you guys to sign up right now. Now, real world assets are becoming very popular in crypto. They represent a wide range of products like real estate, commodities, precious metals, stocks, and intellectual property. By tokenizing these assets, they are represented digitally on the blockchain. When tokenized, these real-world assets are converted into digital tokens and stored on the blockchain. The SwissBorg app offers you multiple real-world asset bundles that you can choose for investment. These bundles are reviewed and adjusted quarterly. You can access these assets on the app, you can invest in them and make profit by trading them. SwissBorg brings you this top quality deal flow to invest on terms similar to or better than VC with its alpha early deals. You can get exclusive access to projects that launch their token before the token sale becomes public, or you can invest in the tokens of existing projects selected by the SwissBorg investment team. SwissBorg has a rigorous investment due diligence process in place where projects are analyzed for their participation in the alpha early deals. Previous alpha deals include successful projects like Ether, Dark Machine, Favor, Carve, and more. If you want to work for SwissBorg or any other crypto company in this industry, go to cryptojobs.com. We have many people signing up there, and companies are getting many applications out there, because on cryptojobs.com you can get your job in crypto. That is my job board. I created it. If you check the screen, what you can see right now is the board. It is an amazing platform. Go check it out right now. Links are down below. Don't forget to sign up to SwissBorg and become a BORG holder today. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.